we going to be NAF proctologists?
Mm-mm.
Yes, we are. That doesn't belong in there, does it?
Mm-mm.
What do you think, NAF? Oops. Oh, let's look at this. This ain't no fun. Can't get him out of there. Nope. Kyle wants to be a proctologist when he grows up. Look at that. Flaky. Like Mike. You see that? No, leave it on. Okay, you can take your mask off. What's going on here, Kyle? He's gotta go make noise, doesn't he? That's a problem, ain't it? Let's go look at the other stuff. What's the other stuff wrong with it? That's all good? Oh. Chowder. And all them axles are spun, you said, huh? Ooh, chowder. Well, that gives us something to do then, doesn't it? Driven by innovation. I wonder how much they're driven by selling parts. Actually, what did he say? It's got 20,000 hours on it, almost, this machine. And it came from overseas, Netherlands. From the Netherlands? Netherlands?
Never, man.
What's the other place over there?
Mexico?
Mexico, yeah. That's overseas, up in the northern hemisphere.
Probably.
Okay. Well, that's my video for today. Kyle and I are NAF proctologists. Mostly Kyle, I'm just... It's a nice hat, though. We were supposed to do this like 2 years ago with this hat, weren't we, when we got it?
Yeah. Now they better send us more heads.
More hats, NAF. More hats. We all need one, and there's 5 of us here. 5. We'll include Wes. But that needs a square brim hat.
Yep.
He needs old school. You want my proctologist tool?
No.
Can I wipe it off on your dirty rag hands? Perfect. All right, Scooter. I'll make something out of this.
You will, I'm sure.
Ooh, look at. You got all the parts listed except for the gear, huh?
No, I didn't.
You just bogey casing. Pinkly Taurus. You know what a Pinkly Taurus is?
Probably.
Okay. Enough of me and my horse manure. See you, bye.